Good evening, sir. Good evening, classmate. My name is Robel D. Villegas. My presentation for today is operating system. Operating system, different Windows operating system, Mac operating system, Ubuntu or other pre-work operating system. Summarize is features for each topic. Different Windows operating system. Windows is a Microsoft developed operating system, prevalent in personal and business computing. Key features include a user-friendly GUI with software compatibility, WSL for Linux applications, built-in Windows Defender antivirus, automatic updates, integration with Microsoft Service, and support across various devices, including desktop, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Windows 10, 11 Mobile. Operating System. Mac OS developed by Apple for Mac computers. Feature a sleek interface, seamless integration with Apple device, and access to an intensive Apple Store. It includes robust security tools and offers more customization than Windows. Optimized for Apple hardware, it ensures superior performance and longevity. Additionally, it provides strong support for developers targeting macOS and iOS. Ubuntu or other pre-work operating system. Ubuntu is a popular free and open source Linux operating system. It features a user-friendly interface, strong community support, and high customizability. Security is emphasized with regular updates, and it includes powerful command line tools for advanced users. Developers benefit from robust programming language support and capabilities in server and cloud computing environments. Summarize its features for each topic. Operating system comparison reveals that Windows and macOS are proprietary and paid, while Ubuntu Linux is open source and free. Windows has a graphical interface, moderate customization, and with software support. Mac OS offers strong security and it's idea for Apple user. In contrast, Ubuntu Linux features high customization, strong security, and caters to developers.